Hey everyone, welcome back to Vindaloo Softtech's CallCentr8 Solution demo. Today, in this video, we'll showcase how effortlessly the super admin can manage tenants, search, and seamlessly add new ones. Stay tuned for a demo that will revolutionize your workflow. As you can see, the super admin can view the list of tenants. The list displays the actions, where the super admin can edit and delete the tenant, tenant ID, name of the tenant, username, email ID and status, whether the tenant is active or deactive. Super admin can also change the status of the tenant by clicking on it. Moving on, the super admin can add a new tenant by clicking on the plus icon, redirecting to the Add Tenant screen. It'll ask for details where super admin will have to enter the name, username, password, email ID, languages, default languages, and click on the Save button to add the tenant. Super admin can also search in the tenant list by using the search filter options given tenant ID, name, username, email ID and status. In the next video, we will show you how the super admin can do the configuration for ACL, gateways and dial plans. See you soon.